Do you want to increase your social media sales? Then you definitely should watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna explain you 3 tactics that you can use to increase your sales. Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm an awarded social media manager and digital marketer who's helping his clients to generate 10,000s of clicks and millions of impressions every single month. And today I want to share 3 tactics that you can use to increase your social media sales for your company. The first thing that I want to tell you about is that you should make sure that you have a strategy in place. Because if you put a strategy up to plan your posts ahead and your content ahead of time, then you can also, of course, have a look at the promotions that are coming up, at the special holidays that are coming up, at the special events, at the special workshops, at whatever it is that you actually want to offer your audience. You can simply put this into your strategy and plan your content ahead accordingly. Because, for example, if you know that by the end of next month you have a promotion for one of your offers, then you can have a look, okay, what is this offer actually about? And then you can pre-frame your followers by creating relevant content around this topic. Let's say, for example, you have an offer with mindset coaching, for example. Then you could start talking about, like, a week or 2 weeks before this actual promotion. You could start talking more about mindset, the importance of mindset, and everything around it. And if you do this, then you can pre-frame your followers, because they obviously will think about mindset a lot. They will follow your posts. And if you get to the point that you start promoting your offer, then, of course, people are more likely to buy it because it's already in their mind. They were already thinking about it for the whole week or 2 weeks or maybe even longer in advance. So that's a pretty effective way that you can use to increase your sales, but also your traffic. And a strategy can have many other benefits. The second thing that you can do to increase your sales is to keep your engagement high. You maybe wonder now, like, why do I have to keep my engagement high if I want to have more sales? Well, it's as easy as that. The higher your engagement, the more likely people are to engage with your content, obviously. So if you have a promotion going on, or if you prepare your following for a promotion and have high engagement on your posts, then you know A, that what you're posting is actually relevant for your audience. But also B, if they already engage with your content ahead of the promotion, then chances are that they're also going to engage with your content during the promotion, which means more website traffic, more sales for you, because they are already used to engage with your content. The third thing that you can do, or that you can use in this case to increase your sales, is using polls. So if you have a promotion coming up, or if you're already promoting a new offer, for example, and you're talking about it and you share stories about it and you just see how people are accepting it, maybe you're even still working on the product or service that you're developing, then you can use polls to actually see how likely people are to buy. For example, ask them, are you going to buy my new product? Are you going to buy my new service? And all the people that are saying yes, amazing. Then you already know these people are very likely to actually buy what you're going to offer. And for all the people that are saying no, that's actually something that you can use, because then you can reach out to them in a chat message and can ask, hey, I've seen that you answered no to the poll and that you're not going to buy whatever I'm going to offer. And I'm curious, like, why are you not going to buy it? Maybe it's not the right time for them. Maybe they're not interested in the topic yet. maybe, that's another point, there's something missing. Maybe they say, well, I don't know because there are a few questions that they might have that you didn't answer yet. Maybe the offer itself is missing something, an important point that you haven't thought about before, or maybe that you haven't communicated enough yet. So if you take these informations and start to create content around them, then you can simply get these people that already answered, that already told you like why they're not going to buy. You can just tell them, here, look, I saw what you told me, I used your information, and here's what I did. And maybe you're interested now, and maybe they're like, oh yeah, that's amazing, now I'm going to buy it. Or maybe they're just like, well, yeah, nah, but there's still something missing. Maybe they won't buy, like, no matter what you do. There are some chances that this is going to happen. But of course, you're going to increase your chances as much as you possibly can if you address these points that these people are going to tell you. As easy as that. I hope these tips were helpful for you. If they were, then I would be really happy if you leave a like on this video. Otherwise, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. And if you need any help with your social media marketing this year, then simply head to my website and shoot me a message or get in touch with me. I'm still offering social media services, so if that's something that you're interested in, just let me know. Otherwise, see you in the next video.